Hello friends, this is Ishwar here. How's the day going? So I thought like in this video we can just go past in time, and we are going to explore some things with the Apple iPhone 5s and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. So as you all know, Redmi Note 4 is powered by Snapdragon 625 and has 4 GB of RAM, and this one iPhone 5s has Apple A7 chip inside and it has about 1 GB of RAM. So I know it's not fair to compare with these two, but still I thought like why not do a speed test between these two and let us just enjoy watching this thing. So I have arranged the apps from Facebook to Asphalt 9 in order so that we can open it. Before that, let us just do a quick reboot test or a power off and on test. Now the Redmi Note 4 took a lot more time to just shut down. Now let us just check how much time it takes for both the phones to turn on. So let me press the power button simultaneously in both of the phones. 3, 2, 1. Android symbol came over here, and let us see which one would boot faster. As you saw, it is the Redmi Note 4, and let us wait for the Apple to boot, and it is just like 5 seconds away. And uh, this 2013 smartphone iPhone 5 is 2013, and this Redmi Note 4 is 2017, and it still works very fine. iPhone 5s just copes up with the Redmi Note 4. That's very brilliant. And to your notice, this iPhone 5s is running on iOS 12 right now, and this Redmi Note 4 is running on the latest MIUI 10 global stable ROM. And let us just jump into the speed test, but before that let us clear all the apps in the Redmi Note 4 and in the Apple iPhone 5s. In order to clear the RAM, we have to do this. And it is done. So let us open the apps one by one. All the apps are preloaded, so that's not a problem. It is opened at least once. So let us open Facebook in 3, 2, 1. So the Facebook didn't respond properly in iPhone 5s, so let us do it again. 3, 2, 1. As you saw, it is just a magic. Facebook opened faster on the iPhone 5s, so that's a win for the iPhone 5s. Now let's get into Twitter. 3, 2, 1. And as you saw, Redmi Note 4 boarded it first. And let's get into Snapseed right now. 3, 2, 1. Redmi Note 4 was faster and the iPhone 5s was a bit away. And now let's get into Google. 3, 2, 1. As you saw clearly, the Redmi Note 4 was the winner. And now let's get into Flipkart. 3, 2, 1. And it didn't respond properly on the iPhone 5s, so let's just clear it on the Redmi Note 4. 3, 2, 1. As you saw, Redmi Note 4 just opened it faster, and the iPhone 5s is still opening. Do you notice both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi, so that's not a problem. And now let's open Telegram. 3, 2, 1. Again, Redmi Note 4 was the clear winner. And CNET Tech Post 3, 2, 1. iPhone 5s was the winner. That's cool. Now let us open YouTube. 3, 2, oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Redmi Note 4 just opened it faster. And now Instagram. 3, 2, 1. Again, Redmi Note 4 was the clear winner and iPhone 5 is still opening and it has now opened. Now let's open Google Maps in 3, 2, 1. And I think it has just given another screen for me. Different screen on both the phones, but still for some sake let us just reopen in both of the phones. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, again some problems. I think we have to give a tie over here. So now let us open Subway Surfers. 3, 2, 1. As you saw, it just opened faster on the Redmi Note 4 and we can just play it right now. But iPhone 5 is still opening and now we can just open Modern Combat 5 in 3, 2, 1. It just takes no time to open in the Apple iPhone 5s, but it takes a stutter in the Redmi Note 4. So let us see which one opens faster. And yeah, Redmi Note 4 was faster, but still iPhone 5s is loading and let us just wait for it to load. Now I think we have just to close the app as it is taking a bit longer than usual. I know it's a bit older phone, but still I'm just comparing for some enjoyment. And now it has just opened the app. That's cool. Now let's try Asphalt 9. Did you see the jitter over there where the wallpaper just disappeared? And now let's open in 3, 2, 1. I don't know why the iPhone 5 is not showing anything, and now it shows something. As far as I've seen, Asphalt 9 loads almost faster on iPhones, but as this is an iPhone 5s, it is getting a bit longer to open. It's taking longer. I think it is because of the 1 GB RAM present in the iPhone 5s, and it is 4 GB of RAM in Redmi Note 4. So iPhone 5s is just struggling to keep everything in memory and also loading an app at the same time. And this heavy graphic game is like too much for the Apple A7 processor and the GPU present in it. And now finally it has loaded the Asphalt 9, but still it is just loading. I don't know why. Yeah, here's it just loaded. And now let's come back and let's get into multitasking, and let's open Facebook. Oh my god, let's open Facebook, and both the phones are restarting the app, but Redmi Note 4 was faster, but for some reason Facebook has stopped. I don't know why, but Apple's iPhone 5 is just stable with that. Now let's get back to Twitter. Again, both the phones are reloading the app, but Redmi Note 4 was faster. Okay, now let's get into Snapseed. Redmi Note 4 has kept it in memory, it seems. And now let's get into Google. It is again faster on the Redmi Note 4. So now let's open Flipkart. Redmi Note 4 was the clear winner. Let's open Telegram. Redmi Note 4. CNET. Again restarts on the Redmi Note 4 and the iPhone 5s, but still works faster on the Redmi Note 4. Now let's open YouTube. Yes, it is just faster on the Redmi Note 4. Instagram. Again the Note 4 wins. Google Maps. Surprisingly, both phones were the same, so that's cool. Subway Surfers. See what's happening in the Redmi Note 4. It just crashed. That's how it is. I don't know why it is so much bad with this type of things. And the iPhone 5s is great in these kind of things. It doesn't crash much and it gives us stability. So in that case, iPhone 5s is the winner. And now let's get to Modern Combat 5. Again, both the phones restart the game. But let's see which one opens faster. Surprisingly, both the phones were the same. This is so surprising. I think the iPhone 5s was a bit faster than the Redmi Note 4. So, and finally we are going to test the Asphalt 9. Let's see if they have kept it in the memory. No, I think they are restarting. And let's see which one is going to win. Redmi Note 4 is the winner in this case. So that's pretty much it for the speed test. If you ask me which one to go for, whether the Snapdragon 625 or the Apple A7, I will just let you go with the Snapdragon 625 in terms of performance. But when you want complete stability, get any Apple device you want. That will be much better. Um, Although it is priced higher, the Apple iPhones perform much more stable and you can rely on it. But when it comes to Redmi Note 4, as you saw in this video, it just crashed 2 or 3 apps, and that isn't just satisfying when we buy a phone, when we give money and buy a phone. So I'm not just supporting any of these phones, but still um, Redmi Note 4 is having some issues, but iPhone 5s is opening apps and not crashing any apps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any thoughts or comments on this video, let me know in the comments. I know this is not so fair to compare a 4GB RAM phone with a 1GB RAM phone and a Snapdragon 625 with Apple A7. So Apple A7 and Snapdragon 625 compared will be a much better video, so I just did it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a really great day. Peace.